Mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda w'ekitiinisa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kandi ho nubwo rukuje akakora nk'omuduumizi mukuru w'amahega y'ihanga rya Uganda agari kumaka ga Uganda People's Defence Forces arigireyo no kuhinguza abaserikale nshanju na bana abaryo bakahendera emishomo yabo eyo babemba amara umwaka gumwe bari kushoma omwishomero kumaka ya Basic Military Training School eri kushangwa muri Kaweweta. Mukuru w'ihanga aho nabo barigireye akahinguza nabo mwaka gw'2023 kandi ari abo shanju na bana abaserikale 28 babemba rwo mu ihanga rya Tanzania hona nangwa ne rya Mali. Obo mukoro guri kugenda misho mukuru w'ihanga aho narigireyo no kugira ngo okwegoku okwabaserikale kugira ngo nubega kugira ngo bagire imico mirungi mu bantu mukureka no kuretaho businge omu ihanga rya Uganda ne rya Tanzania nangwa ne rya Mali nangwa na kizinga cyone cya Africa harije no kubashaba ko babasa korgayo bakakosa ubukugu bwabo batunga mu kubasa kuretaho businge aha kizinga cya Africa.
So I congratulate you, and as General Muhoozi CDF of Uganda told you, it's not part of the problem of the African armies. They look at army as a job, as a job, as kazi, kibarua, kuajiriwa. Army, according to us, is not a job. It is a cause to defend, like is defending your home a job? Suppose I have my children, my wife, a thief comes, I must defend my home. Now, is that a job? When I defend my family from a thief is trying to invade my house, I defend them. It's not a job. It is an obligation.
Or Minister w'idari yo kutandikiraho ahabyo kwerinda owekitiinisa Sarah Mateko birajwekire or Minister w'enshonga z'ibyo kwerinda hano nangwa n'abaserikale bahumwe ningashi Minister of Defence and Veteran Affairs Jacob Oboth hagiye no kugira ngo bwahati okutendeke bwoko kuba basize kurabamu kube kugenderero kubasa kubahereza obukugu nangwa n'ebi byone bikwetagisa mu kubasa kuretaho businge akizinga cya Africa kandi hona yongeye no kugira ngo okubegesa kuretaho businge cyonka ngukoreka no kugendera hangenderwaho ya President Museveni yarigire yakatandikaho okuretera ikizinga cya Africa cyabasa kutunguka nangwa cyabane cyamane.
They therefore require a unified response, one that transcends national boundaries and fosters international cooperation. Joint trainings promote a common understanding and approach to international and cross-border security challenges such as terrorism, natural disasters. To the graduates, I would like to congratulate you. As the Commandant stated, you have undergone rigorous training, overcome numerous challenges, and displayed commitment to the ideals of service and duty. You have proven yourselves worthy of the trust and responsibility that comes with leadership. And you should thank God because you started as a big number and you're lucky that you're among the few that have been able to conclude.
Ori mudumizi w'amahega Uganda w'ekitiinisa General Muhoozi Kainerugaba nawo mukugamba ho nangwa aha mukoro ngugumwe agiye no kugira ngo abaserikale ababona abarigireyo bakahinguzwa babase kosa kurunje bukugu bwabo batungire kandi agiye no kugira ngo ikindi kintu kirungi kandi bijaguma nibatendeka abaserikale batari bamwe na bamwe no kubahinguza.
It is my great honor to stand before you today and share with you this most special day as you commission and become future leaders of our great army and the armies of our close allies. I know how hard you have all worked over the past year, and I hope you are proud of your achievements. Of course, you would not be here without the support of your family and friends. We are delighted that they can join you today. Your actions will shape the future of our defense forces and contribute to the peace and stability of our nation and continent. Embrace the challenges ahead with courage and resilience.
Orukwebembera ishomero ninga shitendekere rya Basic Military Training School erya Kaweweta Brigadier General Bonel Geoffrey Worimbwa hona nawe harije no kugira ngo ababeji bona abargereyo bakaheze imishomo yabo bakatandika umwaka gwa 2023 kandi bahindura umwaka gwa 2024.
This intake graduating today speaks volumes about the Basic Military Training School Kaweweta and the approach to the training. Officer cadets of intake 18 of 23-24 long began their training on 17th of July last year, and amongst whom were UPDF in-service cadets, cadets from internal security organization, cadets from external security organization, fraternal cadets from Republic of Mali, and fraternal cadets from the Republic of Tanzania, totaling to 806. But today, we are going to witness only 777 who have completely and successfully completed their course.
Za asimwe ahwa GNTV agarkosi.
Togumzamo orinyampara wa gavumenti ya Uganda Austin Honorable Hamson Obua yargayo no kujumirira bebembezi batari bamanamwe okutara mnonga abanyeshenjero abarubaje orahakanisa ningora habra gavumenti abargayo bakarayira ngutubarije kwan bazaha mukoro ogo kuvuga no mwebembezi wihanga izobe rya ncyakare omurukororo ya cyangwa mwebembezi wihanga ayine bugambo byo mugasho ebiya kuza kubagambira kandi bije kubagasiranga nambwe no butazayo kwabo nicyoreka akajyogano mukuru wihanga katubirebe
Owekitinisa Joel Senyonyi oguri munyishengero kandi hono orkwija akagaruka akakora nk'ogwo rwebembera abanyishengero bona bo bajoro habura government omwishengero twebihangiriya Uganda hone kire cyashije rya Nyakazoba yargayo no kushaba abebembezi nangwa nabo bona abanyishengero abo bajoro habura government obutabasa kuzakororo okwasa kuhurura bazorwa mukuru wihangiriya Uganda orukwata ahabyembarira yo mwakogwo oguhungu kutandika ningashe no kuhurira ibyo n'ibindi ebyara abasegamba nagira ngo kuzayo nkuko bakuriye kushisho bwire ngo habwo kuba ebyagamba omwakogwo nibyagaka kagamba omwakogwo kwisha
ensonga enda opposition today no shadow cabinet netukanya nti tetugenda kwetaba mu state of the nation address ne budget speech kulwe ensonga zino wamanga okusokera ddala state of the nation address Museveni ya Jono onage mazima ensonga bannayuganda zibansuubira okwogerako tazoogerako adda mu story ate mu 1986 nga tuyingirawo n'ebirala mu kifo ky'okwogera ku nsonga ez'enkizo eziruma bannayuganda obulyake okutulugunya abantu kubaliisa akakanja ne babawamba ne babasibeeyo ne batwala gye bitategeerekeka naki ensonga enkulu ensonga ez'obuweereza zabalina okwogerako etazoogerako bibeeranga ebyolusaagiriro kakati ffe tugamba nti nedda tugenda kuwerekera nga just oli muzannyo nadda mu bachwezi nayogerako bachwezi nayogera ku kino nga bannayuganda baagala ensonga enkulu ezibaluma mu mateeka nga leader of opposition nina okwanukula state of the nation address era obudde obugenda tuuka ninjagala bategeeza nti okwanukula kwange statement yange nagimaliriza dda last week kulwaki kubanga mmanyi mu M7 byagenda okwogerako bebinja ja updatingamuko katono kubanga byagenda okwogerako buli mwaka byayogerako so kati ffe tugamba nti tujja kubeera yekololo bwe tuba twagala okutegeera biki byayogeddeyo emitimbagano weegiri tujja funa ne kopi eyo tulabe biki byayogeddeko bigatta ku gwanga naye kye tuzze tulaba nedda kyanjawulo so tugamba nti nedda tetujja kuwerekera nga oyogera ku nsonga ezitaluma bannansi ate nga z'olina okubanga oyogerako
hone rya Nyakazoba hibwashesera umunyamakuru witu yatunga akagisho kubasaganira nori nyampara wa government Owekitinisa Hamson Obua kandi hono yarga no kushaba bona abebinda ebukabura government mu ndo muhangiriya Uganda kuba basa kuza kororo bakahora mukuru wihanga Museveni yarabasegamba ngo habwo kuba omubyara agambe nibara yihirre inshonga zabe zibakwana benda kwimusyaho nk'abanyishengero n'ingashi nk'ab'ekibiina eby'okuhakaniza government.
Do unto others what you expect others to do unto you. Come, we go, listen. We have an opportunity to debate. Give your alternatives, because the opposition is like a mirror. So if the mirror is not there, what will be their role? What will be their role? They must listen in order for them to give the alternatives. Now, if you don't listen and you want to give the alternative, how will the people of Uganda judge you? Let us take matters of governance. Let us take what the people of Uganda has entrusted us to do as something very, very fundamental. Let's give it the time. If you are not going to be at the State of the Nation's address, where will you be? That must be the question from the voters. We sent you to Parliament. The President was opening. The President was giving his vision. Where were you on that day? I don't think that is a good question for a member of Parliament duly elected to respond to his people. You should say, I was there. I listened. I am now waiting to debate, and wait for me when I debate that State of Nation address. Yes.
Yayongera no kugamba hanshonga yo kugira ngo ishengero ndiyija kumanira shitama ombichwa capital mwe na bimwe byihanga rya Uganda ari kugira ngo ecyo nicyo kibine kora kugira ngo babase kuhurira ishonga zitari zimwe na zimwe zikushasha abanya-Uganda ombyanga bitari mwe na bimwe ngo babona bari kujumera bagwirire cyarumwe kandi eki n'ikintu cyurungi munonga.
Whatever is not prohibited is allowed, implying that even tomorrow when we sit, we shall not be sitting in the chambers of Parliament. We shall be sitting at Kololo, Independence Ground. What will make Kololo to be construed to be a parliament is a promulgation by the Right Honourable Speaker. The opposition is represented by the Leader of Opposition. On our side as government, we are represented by the Prime Minister and the Minister of Finance. That should be the body that should be charged with the mandate of looking at the implication of taking Parliament outside the parliamentary chambers. But in a nutshell, in a sitting of Parliament within Uganda, in my humble opinion, does not offend any law, does not offend any rule in our rules of procedure, as long as the presence of where Parliament is sitting is declared through a promulgation by the Right Honourable Speaker.
Biza asimwe ahabwa GNTV agarukosi.
Okurwa mustongore echa KCCA abakozi ab'ekitongore kibargayo bayotawa kesharingo bwanyuma yo kumara obwire buringwa barukubanja emishara yabo kandi nibagira ngo bwahati ab'ekitongore tine kibabakorire kandi akesharingo akakatuma bibyo kwerinda babatahamu nangwa no kubashiko mwika ogurukuruza misho go kumanyangati ya gas katubirebe.
Musayi musabana atiyaba chakono musajja ono mukazi aliko tetira cyo twagaso no muchala jani pa musisi yali mukazi na jana atwetondera na yoyo sina cyo mutiako zina isara okungo bakati enyese tano bagala mwana kundiko ne alikude bagala freedom ya kudembe yako kuwa sendeza panga tukola ne twako ono mukazi wa mutujireko iza sokito bashiri ka ope sounds taina cha sobona kunkola. Saba yo kulonda babere nambikomera na bakozechi bekalite yenda bava mpuna mpola katubera kumana akachi na kalulu so muganda wa tuli bibinye ko ya omukaza kwa sita ni mutima mulungi.
zaabwe tuzikolere batuwe sente zaffe zetwagala emyezi 6 batuwe sente zaffe omwana abaana baffe naffe twagala babeerengamu nga bannamawulire
omukyalo Saka alina omuze agenda nateekayo omwezi gumu n'agenda ku TV n'agamba bakesisi bonna amasaside sente zaabwe kyokala ndyoda agoba mu nnyumba agamba lwaki ompadde omwezi gumu nga bakuwadde emyezi 2 tumusaba musebe ateekeyo emyezi egiwerako tumubanja emyezi 4 abalala 6 nze mubanja emyezi 4 ateekeyo afadhali emyezi 3 tusasuleko balandiroodi tusinga banatugobya tusaze abaana baffe batudde kubanga n'ebitabo tibayina sente bagana okusasula nga tubeera mu luguudo naye n'abakulembezi bonna batuyambe babakyulira abaana batudde saponsa babeera mu luguudo tibatulaba ate naffe tulina abaana batudde basoma sente tusasula mitwalo 10 amasomero ga gavumenti kati bweba tozirina omwana agenda n'omutwazayo abaana bakesisi ffe abakozi bakesisi abaana baffe bonna bali waka batudde ababalala basoma abaffe bali waka batudde tebasoma enyumba ze nerandiro teyanfulumiza dda ebintu byange biri kweru simanyi ngenda biteekawo musuubiza luli kati yayeetamiddwa amasasi abamwambisi tubanja sente za fulaki batukubatia gasi agamba tebatukubanga tia gasi kulira mugenda okudda obujja wano batukubatia gasi ey'obwerere saka lwakitavaayo abantu bali muyumba batudde tuli waka batukubatia gasi tuli waka waffe abaddusi wano okujja netwaja sente zaffe tubazeredde wali naye abuyona olaba obulumi obumuliko omugabalete ebitongole ebiri byatasobola kusasula
ogamba kisebo
kali wakoze emyezi enaku eri mwana mwani ng'okozesa
naye nokola netuyozo
abantu balina abantu abo bemulaba bantu banaku abantu balina obulumi buyitirivu nnyo n'olwekyo esente zino twaziisa ennaku z'omwezi nga 15 financial yagenda kuggwako kyetubuuza Kisaka sente ezo yaziteekawa abantu bano banaku abantu bakadde abantu bakazi n'olwekyo twagala esente zino baziwa abantu baba sente z'abantu naye tugenda kulondola sente zino era tugenda kulwala paka
yagenze ku ssomero lwaki tebatuwa sente nga tubona emyezi 6 abaana bali waka tebanabakudde ku ssomero pulezidenti tuyambe abantu b'otuwa doloze Kisaka tuyambe
za asimwe ahabwa GNTV agarukosya
Twagumizamu Olumeya w'olurembo lwa Kampala ogwe n'omuloodi Erias Lukwago yaligayo nawe yagamba hanshonga itali kumushemeza aho ebitongole mu ebyokwerinda bishaziremu kukolesa ebigombe by'abantu abamu abakumanya nk'abakanyamani nga ba bouncer ogumani bateganisa obusinge bw'abantu yagira ngo abakanyama abo tebashemerire ku banu bakora okugira ngo bateganisa abantu nangwa n'okubatiinatina sikatubirebe
bwanyuma yo kurgayo kandi ati akagaruka mu ofisi okubasa gukora emirimo ye ey'obutosha eyatwire nakora atakagire mu irwariro oryo murodi w'orurembo rwa Kampala ow'ekitinisa Erias Lukwago onarigire no kujumirira abakwatisa amateeka omu rurembo rwa Kampala nabo bona bakujanizwa byokwerinda bwanyuma yo kugira ngo ekikosi ekirikumanya nk'ekya RRU kirigire no kuteganisa kandi nangwa no kwibaha abantu ebintu byabo omu rurembo rwa Kampala nangwa no kubateera bwashesha bwira bita abakwatisa amateeka nabo bona bakujanizwa kwerinda batina kibakora Ebyona bigambiriza lyanyuma bazyo bwabyari mu kakiiko nabebembezi b'orurembo rwa Kampala bwanyuma y'okuruga yakagaruka mu office obwariko mu ihanga rya India okushemezebwa ekirwire kitwire cy'umuteganisa hona Elias Rukwago agiye no kujomerera abo bona abarikujunanisibwa nangwa n'abakupangisa ekikosi cya RRU okwija mu rurembo rwa Kampala nangwa no kuteganisa abantu bamwe no kubibaho ebintu byabo bwashesha bwira
Kiringente yajjanga we enforcement n'avuga RRU kakati ali ku katale n'akasero yeyita musuubuzi n'akabulira Kiringente yagulira akatale RRU yasalawo kyekikolebwa mu katale n'akasero ani alina okukabeeramu ani atalina kukabeeramu yagabe mudaala
Omurod Elias Rukwago nagira ngo kuruchimba sika hona kabinja kaka RRU tukakubeka ari mu rurembo rwa Kampala kandi agiye no kushaba bona bicyo rukwataho okureba ngo babasakiha ho bucerkare ngo habwo kuba tukaroho mu mateka kandi nangwa nakateganisa abanya-Uganda ekyo karetera kahinda amateka cya kugira ngo ecyo nicyo kikoretera hona yari tekitenso cyo kugira ngo barjemu kandi batagaruka kora n'imirimo yabo omururembo rwa Kampala
ibonye babanye batura mugabiriza bayimujyamuka tugenda kufaafagana ne tiimu mwe muva abamu abakola effujjo waliwo agende nakasero
obwahate mu rurembo rwa Kampala hona abantu bakine emirimo kandi nibateganisibwa n'ebya ifreeze abo bine emirimo kandi mu road mayor aha nagira ngo hine kugira icyakorwa kugira ngo abantu bakabasa kutunga obusingi omu rurembo rwa Kampala ngwite washanga obubina nk'obwo bwa RRU nabwo nibugaka buteganisa abantu nangwa biha akasingi kuba bine hona ngo ekintu kishwazana kandi ngo byagaruka naje akora ikikubasa okureba ngo abantu beye abo rurembo rwa Kampala hona batunga obusingi
business wakateeka wasanga space kakati fe ng'ekitongole ne gavumenti ekifo ky'okuyamba abantu bano enforcement nekeera abali mu uniform n'abatali mu uniform kati tubadde tukyali kuba uniform ne gujja bagira ne wajjawo akabinja akabalumira mwoyo akeyita RRU akagundi akambala ebya bulaka wesanga bekakuserimuka mutusi bambadde kombati tisa batendeka enyota ne bakirira bakuba buliki mungi
ayongire no gamba hambera y'enkuta y'izulumu omururembo rwa Kampala harigire no kugira ngo bwahatiya hine kugira cyakorwa kandi government ine kuteka mu speed okureba ngo enkuto hona zabasa kukorwa ngo ahabwo kuba obwahate enkuto ezo omururembo rwa Kampala nizo zo kutambuza abantu nangwa no kubahereza icyo kurya bwashisha bwira ngo nabwo icyo zazitakozeroho nkinki manyisa ngo abantu mbija kusigara inyuma batine kibine n'amakagabo gitwa bworo
nabanja prime minister yete yakomera kulanjana yawandise n'embaluwa n'agamba ngo yirukula mu luguudo sikyategeera ne bwafuna kontrakiti siritegeera ndowooza mukama waabwe yalanjana simanyi alamenti kakati eggwanga lyonna tugenda kubeera awo mukulamenti nakulanjana tugamba ng'ekitongole wateekeddwa okubeerawo ebikolebwa ezo junctions ezajjayika 27 bwe beetoololera bati ze basangako obuddo emu wano enuma eya Brandpiri eriko ekirumbe kya Ssekabaka Muteesa situlaba nakusalawo kigenda kuddawo naye yekusina okuvaawo wabirenga emotoka zijjawo nga tewali roundabout so bagambulija roundabout 27 neneze batandikako zigaana tugamba omwaka guno tetugusuka nga roundabout zizinamu ebijja esemisa erina okubimaliriza mu first quarter
za asimwe ahabwa GNTV agarukosya
Twagumzamo garuka mu ishenjero y'ituri ya Uganda enshonga zo kwiyamu bakamishana ubwo ziriyo nizigendo misho rizo abanyeshenjero batari bamwe nabo bayongera aharukara rwabo abariyo batahe mukono yabo kugira ngo ubuzima bahagere ecyo kwiyaho ba commission katubirebe
Obwehuriro yo kubinga ba commissioner b'ishengero okorwa mu ntebe zabo nangwa no office zabo kugira ngo bakataha baza kwinga monde abine mbuzo baza kuzirisa kandi abine ente nangwa baza kuzirisa abatine kibine bashitamo abo barebana n'abakundwa baba misho okero ni gendo misho bwa hati y'abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe barahomba gendo misho no kwenja afite ko mukono aha cyandiko ningashi aharukarara oro kwereka ngo abo bona bikirize kandi barye nyuma y'umunyishinge watangiye ihurirejo Wichtinsa Honorable Theodore Sechkubo kandi ubwa hatiya abanyishengero abandi hona bitabasakorgayo no kureba hono ganira nabo bargayo no kwikiriza kubateka umukono aha cyandiko icyo kugera go bundi bakargayo ba commissioner babingwa batyo bataha umunyishenge mukaza rukikirira abacyara ba district ya Rukungiri Wichtinsa Honorable Medias natukunda kaharata hona yargaye no kwikiriza kanangwa no kujura kuyateka umukono aha cyandiko ecyo kandi nawe izina rye bwa hatkire kwija kushomwa muri yago amazina agarije no kurwana sobushomankuzi umushengero kwe rihangira ya Uganda kugira ngo nawe yikiriza yateka umukono aha cyandiko
erizoba kandi natuma umukono gwanje aha motion yo kushisharinga ba commissioners kandi cyatuma nintaho umukono no kugira ngo batwereze time mu parliament motion yiterabe kwera arabemo nibija kwe defendinga baba tarazitwire nibija kwe defendinga mwe turiyo tubaha chance abo bakwiha batandika kuronda signatures tibakagambire bagume bahunana mwe tushimanye bata unamazima ninga nebisho reka tubahe chance nabo bije berwane ubu no buringo bwo kwereka ihanga ngo abantu abacikwenda ngo ihanga literere tukiriyo kandi abinji batugenye
kandi ho nawe umunyishengero orukumanywa nka Patience Nkunda Kinshaba ogu no mujwekero wo mucyara arukikirira abantu ba district ya Kanungu nawe yargaye no kugira ngo bwa hatiya yateka umukono aharukararano rumwe kandi hona bine kurwanisa obushomankuzi umuyishengero y'ihanga ya Uganda nangwa no muyihanga ryona nagira ngo nawe bwa hati abantu bakanungu bakamusindwa kurwanisa obushomankuzi kandi umurimo wo garagira yagukora kurungi
Banyita Patience Nkunda umushwekerwa kuga Kanungu district erizana cyane kusayininga ikipapuro cyo kusesharinga abarire sente tutazibahire abo mu parliament ba commissioners bana ukashaba karuru Kanungu niteka tekere kubanise nguzi kandi rizoba nicyo cyane nimanya ngo kusayininga di report ninge di form it's not going to kwija tirize abo kutugwanisa baza kutaye sente baza kwija mu constituency bafite sente abo kwani baza kuturwanisa kandi icyo twetekatekire hakiri serving etame mwetatire mengo ubwenguzi kujya mu nzira no parliament abo kwani nyenda ngo batangamba ho ntatino bwisho Kanungu negeze no kumukaze manzi
watandikira ihurureji ayebembire batahibe yabande Wichtinsa Theodore Sechkubo mu kuganiraho n'umunyamakuru witu hona yargaye no kugira ngo obwa hatiya natangara munongo kurira ngo hari bigambo birombo gendo misho n'abanyishengero barugamba ngo bamwe ni bateka himikono basinzire abandi batekwa himikono bakakirwe ngo bito ibyona nibishuba kandi tari umunyishengero wizire futeka ho mukono bamukakire ningashi barkwenda ngo asayininge kifuba dembe nagira ngo abanyishengero baromba koreki okwereka muranga kuba atacenda bushomankuzi kandi ishengero y'ihanga ya Uganda kiriyene kuba mwere titite.
But as you can see, we displayed our motion here on the motion is here. This is the motion, and on each and every page we put a title. On each and every page there is a title. On each and every page there is a title. So it's not true that a member has given her signature by virtue of misconception, misdirection or deception. But those are the games associated with the censor motions around Parliament. What caliber of a member of Parliament to say that he or she has signed while drunk? He or she has signed while dreaming. He or she has signed while not aware. It's a very big matter of deep regret. But we tell members Don't go down like that. You can collapse, but don't fall down.
Tuwe Ronald ahabwa GNTV aha Parliament.
Bari mnonga tuwe Ronald ichiriza tumuro ntuje kuba ntugaruka n'iceka cya kabiri ecyagarukosi. Ngona abakozi okukira mnonga ba government barukuremwa kwishiriza emirimo yabo abo kunde bitugana kwe kurgayo akashaba abantu bona okurenga bakwatanisa kukira mnongo emirimo yabe barukora kandi no kurwanisa oburubwenguzi ahande ngo zone katebirebe.
Ubwo mu Uganda tukiri umuhuru yo kurwanisa oburibwenguzi hamwe no kubinga abaribenguzi kubiha government barukujamba koresa kubi esente zo muhi wo musoro derwe acheza aza kubona abonera ahansi oko barukugira ngo bwa hati emirimo yabo tekikorwa tbakine marwaro kandi amarwaro bagagizire harimo mebazi enguto zo nimbi amashomero tgine bashomesa benu bariyoni bacuragangire koma konkabo abakozi bo mu government tubakomeraho bagumizemo no kurwanisa oburibwenguzi uto abantu gambaho na Honorable Evelyn Anite ogunwe minister wa investments hamwe na privatization yargayo no kusaba abakozi abo mu government abatarukuterwa karuru obete aba civil society organization arukujanga bagezeho kurwanisa oburibwenguzi ngwa kuba bo tubakwenda karuru kurga ombantu abo ngumwenbo barjeyo batekeho amazina gabo abarukurya enguzi ngudero government baronde okubara kwatagane nabo.
Now to the issues here. Civil society, I want to start with you before I read Honorable Matthias' speech. I felt like you're glozing or romancing with corruption. You started talking about it, but you're very kind. You're saying permanent secretary. I don't know whom you are fearing. Please fear nobody. I want to ask the civil society, because you're the one going to save us. For me, who is an ardent supporter of NRM, I am embarrassed with what is happening in the country. The corruption is making us to be very unpopular. We are tired.
Honorable Evelyn Anite yajangobwa hati nawe aruhire ngwa kuba abantu ko kumureba yazwaraje bamureba yashitamo motoka ebonire batanika kumiyombesa ngwarya sente zabo aharyabo ahabwabo abantu abarukurya enguzi n'abarukurya sente zo muhi wo mushoro.
I am fatigued even now, ashamed to sit in those government cars, because when you sit like this, when you dress smartly, our money. When you drink water, our money. I mean, because the citizens are aware that we are eating their money. They are tired. They're about to stone us. And PSST, before you officially got appointed as the Secretary of Treasury, you made this statement about the people who build long, high wall fences at the neighborhood of the poor people. Yes, I want to tell you, when I arrived in finance,
Honorable Evelyn Anite yargeno kujanguwe ayetegire okugirangu naferwa abanywani be ningashi abanyamukago bona ahabwo burubwenguzi ngwa kubatarize kwitera muntu wena erisho hamwe no kumuhunamira na iza kwiza amheyo mu government yeronde okwera rwane nawe nkonka we tar kwiza kunamira muntu wena ori omuri wenguzi abo kujangu Uganda ubwa hati tujya kureba ebizibu byo butakufuna buhereza abwenshonga yabari benguzi hamwe n'abarukushishagura esente zo muhi wo musoro.
I chose the path of fighting corruption, and I started fighting vehemently, and perhaps that's the reason why my brother is now trying to check the neighborhood before he says this corruption must stop, because I was very bold and shouting the corruption must stop and naming and shaming. So every time I was coming, you'll see people talking, but all of a sudden they just go mute, because Anita has arrived, because they know she will actually say it out. Then I didn't know that friends, relatives, that the corrupt are so connected that they will hate you as a group, that even your friends will hate you.
Ahantu yarigirayo akashaba ababantu bona okujangu bakwatanise barwanise oburibwenguzi nabo abarukurya enguzi ngo kandi cyabasika babahandikire ne papara babinje mu government yabo.
When we announced the budget The money doesn't stay with him. The money doesn't stay in the treasury. It is sent to these accounting officers. So I want to ask the civil society, first list all the name of accounting officers plus the amount of money going to them, then start checking them one by one. Who has spent what and where has it gone for? That is transparency, that is accountability, and that is going to fight and reduce corruption. I am joining you in the fight. Let's call them out.
Abandi bakuru okurwa ministry y'ebyesente bargayo no kushaba abanyuganda hamwe n'abandi bakozi yo mu government okugira ngo barije bakwatanise beyeho oburibwe nguzi ngwakuba oburibwe nguzi bwaguma mu Uganda tine kintu cyona ekirakorwe kandi tine kiragende omisho.
To the extent that we request that to engage any civil society organization or a member of the public who wishes to participate. And if you are going to talk hard things, please don't apologize. They must be talked. If you are going to talk about corruption, so be it. Talk about them. If you are going to talk about the fact that the children are not being given much, as Dr. Munira said, so say it.
Number 4, we are investing in wealth creation initiatives, such as the parish development model. We are continuing with the funding a Myoga agricultural credit facility. We are also supporting micro businesses by giving money to various circles through the microfinance support center.
Abwa GNTV agarukotya Clinton nahabwe mjombo.
Elizoba ekibina ekya National Unity Platform kandi kyebembirwe president wacho ngono isinsa Honorable Kyagulanyi kandi bingi bakumanywa nka Bobi Wine basiba omchange kya Busoga yasima abantu ba Busoga abo kugira omutima gw'ekibina kandi nangwa n'okumukunda yagumiza muyashaba polisi okurebeka ngo yarekeraho kubateganisa ngo hakuba bakikirizana omukutandika kugira ngo baza kukuma obusingi katubirebe.
Obwo okwiga hamwe no kuronda obushagiki kukiryo kugenda omisho ombibina bitari bumwe na bumwe ebyo bitegeki omuyihanga ryitweri erya Uganda obwo turukwigira akaruru ko mwaka gw'2026 akabona ebina byingi birjeyo no kuronda obushagiki barukujyangwa akarura ko kaza kushika ekibina cyabo kibe nicyo cyatwara obwetegeki obuyihanga rya Uganda mwene cyo ekibina cy'ibyo butegeki ecyoro bazora habara government yo muyihanga rya Uganda echa National Unity Platform kandi ecyo bwa hati nicyo kisingereyo abanyishengero aboro bazora habara government muyishengero rya Uganda kibitiremu amani mingi munonga mukubasa kwiga amwe no kuronda obushagiki no bahagizi omuyihanga ryitwe rya Uganda okwetora ibicweka bitari mwe na bumwe obwe barukorabera omuntekateka yabo yakunga Uganda kunga
bitukola twagala bibalage baganda bange nti namwe bwe munayimuka buli wamu bano tuba tugenda bagala so tuba tugenda bus stretchinga mu Luganda kigambo kye kiri ekya stretching tuba tugenda baleegula mu nsonyi Luganda andi mbaire nenda ko balusoga na atamu Luganda bano tuba tugenda baleegula so nenda tubaleegule bana nenda tuba stretching mulusoga kuba kugala nenda tubagale bana abaganda mbaire ntegeza kubagala kino ekyo bana byonna bina mwenna abaganda bange njagala okwebaza abakulembeze b'e Busoga olw'omulimu gw'ettendo gwe mwakoze. Njagala okwebaza bafoot soldiers b'e Busoga olwa mobilization gye mwakoze n'okutukuuma. Njagala okwebaza abantu b'e Busoga olw'okuvaayo ne mweyiwa ku makubo. Abantu baatambudde okuviira ddala enjeru nga tetunaba na kusala Nairo ne bagumira tear gas ne bagumira emiggo ne bagumira amaswasa agabadde gesooza nga baagala okutulaga obumu. Mwebale nnyo mwebali eddala bannange.
Mbwenu baye wajire omuchweka ekya Busoga barigireyo no kuteera omuranga bari kugira ngo abanyarwanda bakorese imico mirungi bareke kuyomba na polisi y'ihanga rya Uganda batakatekaho ubushashamaro bwona ngukonka baronde obushagiki bwabo omusinje Okitinisa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu ogunwa kwebera ekibine cya National Unity Platform yargeyo no kusima abantu bamucweka cya Busoga hamwe n'abantu bo mu district ya Kamuli okugira ngo babereke rukundo y'amani mnonga hamwe n'umutima gwo kunda ekibina cyabo cya National Unity Platform mwenu rahanga abazimurire kibarukwenda
njagala n'okwebaza abantu b'ekamuli kubekamuli ate y'emigo gyatandise mangu ne tiyagasi yatandise mangu nene mubeerawo ne mutulinda kyana ku tetwasobodde batuukako ne tujja batuukako mu ngeri yonna essaawa yonna. Meseji yange y'abantu b'ekamuli njagala obajjukiza bannange si mwe b'ekamuli mwekka naye okwetoola Uganda yonna mwalabye nti twasobodde okutambula nga tutambulira ku speed 2 okuviira ddala enjeru ne tusala bridge ne tugira ddala paka ebuwoolera kumpi ne Bupadengo. Lwaki? Kubanga bano abasajja tebamalaako bwe muba muli bangi. Babadde balina okusolooza tiyagasi mu Busoga yonna, babadde balina okusolooza abasirikale mu Busoga yonna, ate nabo nga babadde tebajja kumalako naffe kubanga twabadde mitwalo na mitwalo. Twasazeewo obutalwanagana nabo, twasazeewo obutasikangana nabo, ne tukyuka ne tudda e Kampala olw'ensonga zino wammanga. Okusookera ddala twabadde twagala kujja kwogerako n'eggwanga, twabadde twagala kujja okugenda ku record okuwandiikira poliisi nga twemulugunya nga twekalakasa tubalage ebikyamu bye bali mukola so that tugenda on record. Bino ebintu bye tukola tetubikola kubanga twagala bano abantu bakyuse empisa, nedda tumanyi nabo balagirwa bulagirwa kubanga Uganda efugibwa family emu. Museveni bw'aba atya NUP ne People Power ajja kubalagira bakole buli kyabusiru kye bakola.
Robert Kyagulanyi yagumiza maro kwizusya abanyayuganda akikwatire n'akakiiko kari kuzunanizibwa ebyobugabe bw'obuntu bakatwarayo okwetomwitwa kwabo nkonkano bwa hati tubakabetaga kugira ngo baze kwehozaho ngo bayebazayo. Okitinisa Mariamu Wangadia tarikirize ngo bagire kibayehozaho oshireho akana ndakura ebyaragamba byonka.
Sisobola kuba wano nga sibajjukiza nti bannange mujjukira nti emyaka egisuka mu 5 egiyise twatwala okwemulugunya kwaffe mu kakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu kati akakulirwa omukyala gwe bayita Wangadia. Naye nga bwe mumulabye ng'abantu babawamba ye n'agamba abo tebaliyo, nga famire ya Kibalama n'abalala bagenda ne batwalayo ne ID ne national ID z'abantu baba bawambibwa ne bagamba nti kiwani nti abo abantu tebaliyo. Ne Nabbanja Prime Minister wa Museveni nga yavaayo n'agamba Kibalama kituufu bamuyina, ye Wangadia yagamba Kibalama si muntu muzimu. Kakati omuntu w'obwongo obwo n'endowooza eyo yakulira akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu. Simanyi oba ayina abaana, simanyi oba maama, naye oyo yakulira akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu. Akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu oba zino tribunals zo zirina n'okukola faster than the courts of law. Tribunals like the Uganda Human Rights Commission are supposed to solve human rights violations faster than courts of law. But you will notice that more than 5 years since I petitioned the Uganda Human Rights Commission, they had never given me a hearing. And when they gave me a hearing, I went there, I did not even speak 2 sentences, and she shut me up because she's not willing to listen to anything other than what she wants.
Hawa GNTV yagarukotya Nikirintoni nabu mjomba.
Teko wentebe ya katano hawa district ya Rwampara ogweno Western Sir Richard Omugasho yargoye yashobora hantekateka ezibinire gukora district ya Rwampara nangwa n'obuherezo banyine ku bantu babiritamu kandi yashaba abantu ba Rwampara okuzombuteka ngwa kubentebe kansezi babinire ni nyingi katubirebe.
Ogwihantutera akaruru k'2021 akabona ugahatiga wireho emyaka 3 yona abebembezi abutwateire akaruru abagiye mu mashengero gatari gamwe na gamwe n'ahantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe bari afuturetera obuhereza umbyanga byitu bwenwe origishente ko wentebe ya katano abwa district ya Rwampara Okitinisa Richard Omugasho yargeyo no futema temera ebakolire district ya Rwampara okwiha ntutera karura kwa 2021
tukozere yatwaza omuntebe ekyo kubanza kyabyona ekyo tukise kitiyene sana administration broker yitu obutujja tukashanga bwira omwarro gumwe aturiya mwarro gwagasha turiyo nsagumara kandi ekizimbe ekyo nkisa mukome kitiyenesa twaza habya works ebyenguto tukozora oruguto rwakarangara rwa Kanyampiha rukandaje rutwarukora rwabaje twarutira ruce kuko twarakamusiya twarukaraje twarkamaramu twakore ngo uruguto rwa Nyarukungu twakora itemerya ya Kanyangonji twartinda yabaje atabantu bakorosinga je bine batine shonga twaza by'amashomero twayombeka amashomero twayombeka Nyakaguruka twayombeka Katabonwa twayombeka inzu z'abashomesa twayombeka cyakane twayombeka inzu z'abashomesa twaza Karora twayombeka ibirasi bibiri twaza Nyakikara twayombeka ibirasi bibiri twaza Kigaga twayombeka ibirasi bibiri ibyambizi twayombeka tanka Kigaga twayombeka tanka Katabonwa twayombeka tanka rya Miyonga twayombeka tanka Kitojo Primary School twaza habyamagara twayombeka Nyarukungu twaje Health Center 2 twajita Health Center 3 turiyo twombeka ward Mpango Munonga hari kino ni Health Center 4 arubugamba turiyo twombeka inju y'abashaho Health Center 4 turiyo twombeka Kibare kujya Health Center 2 kujita Health Center 3 mwene twaza Ndeisha twayombeka inju y'abashaho twakora renovation y'irwaro and we see the progress is very good.
Richard Omugasho yargeyo no kugamba aha bintu bakwenda gukora abantu ba district ejo ya Rwampara bari mu mbaganiraho ne barya kwajanaho kandi nibabara akire kace bakatandika okubukoraho
tuje byoma byite bisya ibyome byo tudiyo nsafutandike nguto twazitandikire nguto tubitandikire rwa Nyakaguruka kuzayihoho with spra naruka span kuza Kabutare rukuza Kigali rero katemba mwana rukija rukaza wa Kanuma twenda futana korwa Jaga Bushaga butena ro kuza Nyakikara kuzihoho kuza Kashasha twenda futana korwa turakora rwa Kitojo kurganya mukana twemba kora wa Kashuro kuza Kitojo kuza Nshuro twenda kora urwibumba
Owekitinisa Richard Omugasho ubwo nwishente ko wentebe ya katano abwa district ya Rwampara yargeno kushobora ntunguka yemnyeto mu district ya Rwampara
eminyeto turiyo tujikwa samani nambwenu baryoba bine youth dialogue ibiri kumenabana okwezo kunku nije kuja JB Gardens kandi eminyeto batunga sente zabo eminyeto bariyo involved mu PDM eminyeto bariyo involved mu myoga eminyeto bariyo turiyo mu encore tournament bariyo na participating so we see even eminyeto iriyo netego hamani nariyo yusara yivure kudu nagwisente zabo
Richard Omugasho yagumiza muno kusobora ahabi aparish development modo yabingi barukweta PDM okubyagezere mu district ya Rwampara ngo kano bwa hati bakibasindikira kandi akasente yakokozesa
ya PDM yitwe our district ya kabiri no mu Uganda yona kubaza kweza sente za PDM kandi turebana bigendaje hari sente zizere miliyoni 5 za parish mukeze tubeta kazigabire abo kugira ngo database yitwe beta bonire iberiyo no bakoraho and after that they will get the money, people will get the money and but for a PDM we are doing well atwetine byoma imihande kasiskara abantu batujuma konkanyira kubasima abanyarwampara bo mu markam mutegerize mwene byomo byizere muhumure mutuzanyuza korwa amashomero ganyaga gombekwa amarwaro turiyo ntuombeka mwene mutitegereze mu markam ibintu nibuza kubaje
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ariho open na Clinton nabwe mjomba omu district ya Rwampara
bare mnonga agangoto abatwinira umwabaziyogo kandi bare kutwegitaho omugarukosya evening special nyero kubane kurataho utafero kigambo cyaranga no mcyarakazo arhanga Bishop Jore ndi Eva Sakankwasa mukama murunji akonkomere